Hey, I'm Marvelyn Lewis and I sell real estate. I'm going to try to go really fast because I have been absent from you for a while. So I want to tell you some things about real estate. What's going on right now? The biggest complaint that I'm hearing people say right now is that the interest rate is too high. Well, I want to ask you, compared to what? Compared to what? Because the interest rate is hovering around 6 to 7%. And as long as it's not in double digits, you can afford a house because my very first one I bought was in 9%. And I did it, I made payments, and you can too. Now, if you're concerned about whether or not you'll be able to get a loan that affords that, and you got to pay this and pay that in order to just get that substantial amount of money to start, there are 100% loans available. Yes, 100%, 1%. You don't need a lot of money to buy a house. Just get a 100% loan or one that's 1%, 2% down payment, and then we can probably negotiate the closing costs. So that's not a lot. And what about those repairs? Oh, those repairs. You know, we have home warranties that you can call the same repair person that you've always been calling and get those home repairs taken care of. Absolutely. They're not expensive warranties. They're like $600-700 annually for a home warranty. And then it's like $100 trip charge if you have something that breaks. Honestly, really. So yeah, let's get you in a home. I can tell you that everything that you're concerned about is just a nominal thing. If you ask the questions, you can find the answers. I've got them for you. The interest rate is really not that high. And not only that, if the interest rate is high and you're waiting for it to come down, guess what? All the other people that are waiting for it to come down as well, they're going to be the ones in line with you, rushing those prices back up on the values. You saw it happen before. So let's say the interest rate comes down right now, then you're going to have multiple offers again, and that price is going to go up $10,000, $15,000, $20,000 more than what the list price is. You saw it happen. I'm not making this stuff up. And one more thing. If the interest rate is high right now and it comes down, you've already got your house now. You got the lower value now. All you have to do is refinance it. Yep, that's all that it requires. Just refinance when the house value comes down. Or that's not right. When the interest rate comes down, you refinance it and you'll already have the lower value because you bought it now. If you're waiting for a crash, honey, that's not going to happen. It's not, because we're not operating in the same market that causes crashes to happen. I'm going fast. I know I am. So if you've got questions about any of the things that I've just shared with you, just call me. I sell real estate.